Good morning, friends. Yesterday we saw the first lecture in basic English grammar, which was based on nouns. We studied definition of noun, kinds of noun, and we studied the four different kinds of noun. The pronoun. Today we are going to start with new concept, that is pronoun. First of all, we must know what is pronoun. There are different pronouns, for example, I, he, we, she, and us. These are different pronouns. These are used in place of noun. Definition of pronoun is: it is the sentence element used to replace a noun or a noun equivalent construction. The replaced noun is named the antecedent. In simple words, we can say the word used in place of noun is called a pronoun. Categories of pronouns. Pronouns have the same functions as nouns do. Morphologically, pronouns are used to avoid repetition and to clarify nouns, categories of number, person, and gender. There are 8 categories of pronouns. The categories of pronouns are: personal pronoun, personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, second one, the demonstrative pronouns, reflexive and emphatic pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, and last one is indefinite pronouns. So these are the different pronouns which we can study, which we are going to study. Personal pronouns. Personal pronoun represent specific people or thing. We use them depending on number, that is singular or plural. For example, I is singular and we is plural. First person, that is I, second person you, or third person he and she. Gender, male may be he, female she, or neuter it is it. Case, subject, that is we, or object us. So we can use in different context. We use personal pronoun in place of the person or people that we are talking about. Here are the personal pronouns followed by some example sentences. Number, singular, first person, gender male or female, personal pronouns are I and me. Second person, male or female, subject you and object is also you. Third person, male female, male we have he and the object is him. Female she, object is her, and neuter it does not change, it remains it. The plurals, first male or female we and the object is us, so we becomes us. Whereas in the male female you remains you, and the third person male and female they becomes them. So we can see this, what happens: I becomes me, you remains you, he him, she her, it we us, you and they them. So some pronouns change according to subject and some do not change. Further we can see examples of personal pronouns. I like coffee, John helped me. Here in the sentence the subject I becomes object me. Do you like coffee? John loves you. So in the first sentence, do you like coffee? Personal pronoun. John loves you, also a personal pronoun. He runs fast. Did Ram beat him? He becomes him. She is clever. Does Mary know her? She becomes her. We went home. Anthony draw us. We becomes us. It doesn't work. Can't the engineer repair it? It remains it. Do you need a table for 3? Did John and Mary beat you at doubles? So we can see some pronouns do not change. They played doubles. John and Mary beat them. So we can see these examples how the personal pronouns change accordingly. We often use it to introduce a remark. It is nice to have a holiday sometimes. It is important to dress well. We also often use it to talk about the weather, temperature, time, and distance. It is raining. It will probably be hot tomorrow. Is it 9 o'clock yet? It's 50 kilometers from here to Cambridge. So these are the examples where we use it. The second type of pronouns is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns, we use possessive pronouns to refer to specific person, people, or thing belonging to a person, people, and sometimes belonging to an animal or thing, etc. You will never find a possessive pronoun near a noun despite the fact it is the genitive of a person pronoun. We use possessive pronouns depending on number, singular that is mine, plural ours, first person mine, second person yours, or third person his or hers, gender male his, female hers. Now we will see the possessive pronouns followed by some examples. Singular or plural. For example, singular, first person, male, gender of owner, male, female, possessive pronoun mine, second person, male, female, yours, third person, male, his, female, hers, first person, male, female, ours, second person, male, female, yours, and third person, male, female, or neuter, theirs. These are the examples how we can use the possessive pronouns. Examples, look at these pictures. Mine is the big one. Subject, my picture. I like your flowers. Do you like mine? Object, my flowers. All the essays were good, but his was the best. Subject, his essay. John found his passport, but Mary couldn't find hers. Object, her passport. These are the examples. Singular and plural used before nouns. My, your, his, her, its. Plurals, our, your, their. Used alone. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. Reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Definition. Reflexive pronoun is used with an active voice verb in order to reflect the action of the verb back on the subject, the antecedent. Emphatic pronoun accompanies its antecedent in order to accentuate its action. Reflexive and emphatic pronouns take different positions with the sentence structure. We will stop here and remaining part we will see in the next lecture. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications of updated videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.